Have you ever signed up for a streaming service, got excited about all the content, and then realized it wasn't quite what you expected? Maybe you've been using Neon for a while, but now you're ready to move on. Well, today, we're going to show you exactly how to cancel your Neon account. But before we dive into the steps, let's take a moment to consider why you might want to cancel in the first place. Is it because the content isn't up to par? Or maybe you're just trying to save some money. Whatever your reason, we've got you covered. Step 1. Access your account settings. The first step is to log into your Neon account. Once you're in, look for the Settings or Account section. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Find the cancellation option. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option that says Cancel Membership or something similar. Click on it. Step 3. Confirm your decision. Neon might ask you to confirm your decision to cancel. They might even try to convince you to stay by offering discounts or promotions. But if you're sure you want to cancel, go ahead and confirm your choice. Step 4. Choose a cancellation reason, optional. Some streaming services ask you to provide a reason for canceling. This can be helpful for them to improve their service. While it's not mandatory, you can choose to share your feedback. Step 5. Complete the cancellation process. After confirming your decision and providing a reason, if applicable, Neon will guide you through the final steps of the cancellation process. This might involve confirming your billing information or providing additional details. Additional tips. If you're unsure about any of the steps, don't hesitate to contact Neon's customer support. They can provide you with specific instructions and assistance. Be aware that there might be cancellation fees or policies, especially if you're canceling before your subscription period ends. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of your Neon membership. If you're considering canceling due to a specific issue, try contacting Neon's customer support first to see if they can resolve the problem. And there you have it. That's how you cancel your Neon account. It's a simple process, but it's important to follow the steps carefully to ensure a smooth cancellation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.